Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your productivity and stay ahead in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share some top ChatGPT hacks that can transform the way you work. Let's dive in. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful AI language model that's been making waves in various industries. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it an invaluable tool for enhancing productivity. First up, automating routine tasks. ChatGPT can draft emails, create reports, and even schedule your day. By delegating these tasks to AI, you free up time for more critical work. Next, enhancing creative workflows. Whether you're brainstorming ideas for a project or drafting content, ChatGPT can provide inspiration and structure, making the creative process smoother. ChatGPT is also a great learning companion. It can break down complex topics into understandable explanations, helping you grasp new concepts quickly. When faced with tough decisions, ChatGPT can help by outlining pros and cons, offering alternative solutions, and providing insights that lead to informed choices. Lastly, personal development planning. ChatGPT can assist in setting goals, creating action plans, and tracking progress, ensuring you stay on the path to self-improvement. To get the most out of ChatGPT, be clear and specific with your prompts, provide context, and always review the AI's suggestions to ensure they align with your objectives. Embracing ChatGPT can revolutionize your productivity. Give these hacks a try and see how they can enhance your workflow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech tools. See you in the next video.